Are you tired of having to switch the main lights on in your home to read or just to create an ambience? Are you annoyed, having to get up constantly because the children are having night terrors, or bad dreams, because the rooms are dark? Or need some soothing sounds and lighting for yoga? Great news, we can help. This portable Bluetooth night light wireless speaker, with LED light, bedside lamp, alarm clock, works indoor and outdoor. Touch-activated brightness, with 48 different color shades, is perfect for those days when you want to chill, activated with a simple touch. Its soft light will ease you gently into that sleep state. With this portable Bluetooth speaker, parents can play a sweet lullaby to help your children fall asleep. You can do this by using the SD card features to record your stories and lullabies or favorite sounds. It has a powerful built-in rechargeable battery. 6 to 10 hours operational time, easily charged using the supplied or standard USB cable. This creative and modern design makes it an ideal gift for all seasons and any occasion. Birthday, anniversaries and Christmas time, it's the gift for almost all occasions. Are you having a party or camping outside with family and friends? Bluetooth features or audio cable is compatible with most Bluetooth devices. Operational manuals are available in French, German, Italian, Spanish, and English. It comes with 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Most of our customers agree that it's a great kit and the best speaker in its class. This is what our Amazon customer 5-star review explained. I need a night light for my daughter's room. They asked me to buy them a Bluetooth speaker to have some music also. So this product was just perfect for me. The touching effect and the light change was lovely. The sound was large and clear enough to play pop song. Good product overall. This product is so beautiful, that's the best way to describe it. I bought this item for a gift, but I wanted to try it first really, and I must tell that it is very impressive quality-wise. For a cheap price too, great music producer, great lighting. That comes with different varieties of option by tapping the head of the product, and also it has clock and alarm too. I'm very satisfied overall. Bought this as a present for our 9-year-old's birthday. This speaker is absolutely brilliant. It has a lovely sound, connects to any Bluetooth device easily, great colored lights that work with music on independently, great range of colors to choose from for your night light. There is even a clock to use as an alarm clock. This is a great speaker that does a lot. We are available to answer your questions, so feel free to contact us now through Amazon Messenger. The Amazon unique ASIN number for this clever product is B071CZB7NQ. Remember to only buy from Shopback Sales Wizard to guarantee you get the genuine product and not a counterfeit. Please like this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update.